In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get the ChatGPT Google Extension. So first of all, open up your Google and then on the search bar, search for ChatGPT Writer. Then click on the first link. Then you can simply click on the install free extension, but it will ask you to sign up anyway. So you can just go up here and click on sign up for free. Then you can create your email or just continue with Google. Then after that, click on install free extension, then click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and as you can see up here, I already have the ChatGPT writer added to my Google Chrome. So how can we use this? For example, I'm going to search for the definition of this word. So I'm just going to highlight that, double click. Then as you can see here, ChatGPT Writer is over here at the options. You can just click on that. Then you can ask ChatGPT, give me the definition. Then send it. Then ChatGPT will give you the meaning of that word. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.